Show us your excitement. Yeah.
Let's go.
Woo!
Get it, get it.
Is it on?
Big again.
Oh. Pig.
Mondo Gazunga.
Dude, he's a freaking bass master.
Is that enough excitement?
Yes.
Enough excitement for us? I'm really confused him by putting it sideways.
2 pounder.
He's definitely still trying to swallow the minnow that I put in sideways.
Yeah, he's hungry.
Let me take that out of his mouth real quick.
Well, at least give him the meal. I mean, come on.
He can't handle it, clearly. Okay. This guy can't handle his meat.
There she goes.
What's the secret, man?
Yeah, you gotta let us know, Bobby.
No, there's something there.
Little one?
Yeah, you can see it swimming around.
Take your time.
Ooh.
That's a decent one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Nice, dude.
That's big, right?
Spooled ya?
Nah, I got it.
Nah, I got it, dude. Big old bass.
I'm calling bass too.
Pickerel. That's a nice one.
Ooh.
Dude, that's a big
Yeah.
bass. Holy crap.
That's a nice bass,
That's
dude.
big.
Woo! Yeah. Bassmaster.
Brad's like, it's alright.
That's sick.
Spider's got bigger. There's something on there.
Something on.
Yeah, right.
Hell yeah.
That's what they all say. No. Oh my god!
That seems to be the bass hole. Do some hole hopping now. Catch some slobberoonies.
Dang.
Tipped with 3 waxworms.
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting bit.
There he is.
Do it.
There he
Nice.
is.
Nice.
That's a big one.
That's got to be 12.
Kind of freaking chipped the paint off my jig.
Here's mine. It's his.
Nice average.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's gonna throttle you. There it is.
Dude, what? What is going
There it is,
on right
boys.
now? What is going on?
This is ridiculous. This is stupid.
Dude, all of a sudden it just got hot. Got him.
Wow. That feels
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that's a good one.
That feels
yeah.
real good. Oh yeah. Yo, we got him. It's nuts, dude.
We found the hole.
Dude, thank you for showing me this place. Holy crap.
You still have bait on or no?
Yeah.
Drop back down. Go ahead. On?
Yep.
On.
It's just frozen up, but oh yeah.
Oh yeah, another nice one. Dude, that's a bad one.
Dude, this isn't right. Holy smokes. They're still down there. Oh yeah. He just like, oh, he just like tapped it the tiniest bit. I shouldn't even bother doing that. Barely even need the transducer.
You really like the only.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good thing about the transducer is just knowing where the bottom is, honestly.
So is that
Dude, that's 13.
That's 13.
That's 13 inches.
They still down there?
It looks like they're, yeah.
Yeah.
There's like this whole separation from the bottom that you can see. There was one just coming up. He went back down.
Maybe the camera's bad luck. Nope.
There's one.
Did that one come up?
He's right on it. Oh, I missed him.
You'll get the next one.
There he is. He hit it right when I got back down there.
Yeah, baby.
Look at all of the fish there, bro.
You can't tell where the bottom is because there's so many fish. That's nuts.
Freaking snowing. Winter wonderland out here. Oh,
They're liking this. Man, that feels good.
oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Yeah. Look at the green towards the back of the tail.
I know. So cool. think you're right though. I think there is weeds down there, and they're
Yeah, cause like there's
They're
just a
coming up
tiny, like they're, it's like they're right in the bottom, so it must
Yeah.
be weeds, like super thick. I think we just like got them on a feeding frenzy or something.
guess so.
Like every time we dropped it.
oh, we dropped down.
I'm gonna put these in a pile again.
Try this one. Yeah, this is the one we caught most of them.
Let me turn my camera off.